মিছন APSC ANJ নামৰ ইউটিউব চেনেলটোলৈ আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছো। আজি আমি ডিসকাস কৰি আছো APPSCৰ আন্ডাৰত RWD ৰিক্ৰুইটমেন্ট টেষ্টৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ্স। সো আপোনালোকে যদি আগৰ কেইটা ভিডিঅ চোৱা নাই দেন প্লিজ চাই ল'ব। সো দ্য পাৰ্মিসিবল লিমিটস অফ এন আইৰন এণ্ড ক্লোৰাইড অফ এ ড্ৰিংকিং ৱাটাৰ আৰ আইৰনৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত 0.2 আৰু ক্লোৰাইডৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত 250 মিলিগ্ৰাম পাৰ লিটাৰ মনত ৰাখিব। Next, when the isolated footing is located, the clay soil under the footings. So here correct answer will be B. Relieves the pressure near the middle of the footing. Middle of the footing, it will release the pressure. Question number 33. Purlin is a structural member in a roof. So mone rakhibo purlin is nothing but it is a longitudinal horizontal structure members. And question number 35 is a numericals. Let the catchment areas make 60% of area with runoff coefficient 0.4 and remaining 40% area with a runoff coefficient 0.6. Okay. What is the weighted coefficient to be used for rational formula? So here we require the weighted coefficient. So weighted coefficient is nothing but let's suppose the catchment area is A. So A1 is 60% of A, so 0.61. K1 is 0.424, it is given, and for A2 40% of A2 0.4, or it is given 0.6. So if you calculate the weighted coefficient 0.4 into 0.6, okay, then 0.4 into 0.6 divided by total area 0.6 plus 0.4, so 0.48 is the correct answer. Question number 36. The minimum width of soldier recommended by IRC is 2.5 meter. Soldiers weight to amar 2.5 meter hoy mone rakhibo. Then next questions. Question number 37. As per IRC recommends, the value of exceptional gradients for plain and rolling terrain is 6.7%. mone rakhibo. Next, the porosity and the degree of saturation of a sample are 0.4 and 50% respectively in 100 meter cube volume of a soil. The volume in meter cube of air. So it is the answer will be for option number A, that is 20 meter cube. So here n is given as 0.4, s is 50%, that is 0.5. Volume of the soil is 100 meter cube given. So we know s plus air content, degree of saturation plus what? Air content is 1, so air content is 1 minus s. So degree of saturation is 0.5 given. So Na is n into Ac. So 0.4 is given porosity into Ac is 0.5. We calculated now 0.02. So volume of air with respect to total volume is 0.2. So Va is 0.2 into V, so 20 meter cube. The range of diameter of a cast iron is of a sphere is 100 to 250 mm. Next, question number 40. The most widely used coagulant for removing suspended impurities from water is, so option number B, that is aluminum sulfate. Next, 41. Compression members in a truss are overloaded, then their failure maybe takes place due to, so option D, the failure may be direct compression, maybe excessive bending, maybe bending combined with twisting. So option D, all of the above is correct answer. Next, question number 42. When load is acting in a longitudinal direction and when a change in length takes place, the strain is known as, so that strain is nothing but linear strain. Okay. 43. The deflection of a beam will be reduced if the moment of inertia of the beam is increases. So deflection, when EI increases, the deflection decreases, or if I increases, deflection decreases. Okay, so the answer will be increases. Question number 44. Bernoulli's equation is applicable for, mone rakhibo, the Bernoulli's equation is applicable for inviscous incompressible fluid. So question number 45. The contact pressure of a rigid footing resting on a top of a center and the edge are respectively maximum and minimum. Okay, option A is correct, that is maximum and 0. Question number 46. The expressions for E in terms of G is, the formula is nothing but E is equal to 9 kg divided by G plus 3k. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 47. The final loss of a head of a slow sand filter is so option B, that is lower than the rapid sand filter. So loss of slow sand filter is lower than rapid sand filters. Okay. Then question number 48. The source of subsurface water is in the form of option C, springs. Springs are subsurface waters. Question number 49. Wells allows to water contribution only through the bottom and deep bearing stratum lines below an impervious structure. So option B, cavity is the correct answer. Question number 50. The purpose of backpassing is to remove the materials that has been deposited in the rapid sand filter bed during filtration cycle. So option D is the correct answer. That is suspended solids. The purpose of backpassing to remove the suspended material that has been deposited in the filter bed during the filtration cycles. Periodic repacking of the filter bed may be required to ensure the efficient operations. Okay. Next question number 51. Which of the following in terms of is related to curve setting of a root network? So here option B, that is fx distance, unit chord and tangent length is related. Question number 52. The soil is compacted on a dry site. The optimum has more permeability and more strength, more permeability and less strength. So option C is the correct answer, more permeability and less strength. So 53, super elevation of a curve root cannot be provided. Option C, at the point of reverse curvature. Reverse curvature I provide no. Question number 54. Cold water can hold to dissolve oxygen than warm water. So answer is more. Question number 55. What is the term of rotating telescope in a horizontal plane about its vertical axis? So it is swinging. Okay. Question number 56. The purpose of centrifugal pumps are used to transport option D, fluid which is accelerated by impeller. Question number 57. Which of the following is not a positive displacement pump? So it is option A, emulsion centrifugal pump. Next, the earthquake which occurs along the boundaries of the tectonic plates are known as, so it is a interplate earthquake. Option A is the correct answer. What is the value of angle of response for a clay soil? So for clay soil, the angle of response is 30 degrees. You have to remember this. And question 6, ridge beams used to provide end support to the common rafter in a queen post truss. So these are the 30 questions which we discussed today. In the next video, we'll discuss remaining 40 questions. So thank you for watching.